What's up guys, back with another video, and today we're actually going to be throwing some new wheels on the S4. I don't know if they're going to stay on the S4 right now. I'm just kind of throwing them on there just so the S4 has a little bit something going to it. But with that being said, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and smash that notification bell, and we'll get right into it. So I actually ended up getting these wheels for a really good deal. Found them on Facebook Marketplace. They came off of another S4, so they'll actually fit on either one, the S4 or the S5. Go ahead and show you the wheels. I think they look pretty sick. Nice gunmetal gray. One of them does, I think it's this one actually. Yeah, it does have some rash on it, but that can always be fixed. But these are 20 by 10.5, so it should give it a nice fitment. Should eat some more of that wheel well up until I get it lowered. Two of them are on Pirelli P0s, two of them are on Michelin, some all-season Michelins. I might switch them around. I might throw these on the S5 and then throw the S5 wheels on the S4. But right now I just want to throw them on the S4 just so I can see how it looks. And I think it'll look good with the blue anyway. So give you guys a little sneak peek of the S5 right now, since the video is not done yet. That's how we're looking. Doesn't quite look the same on camera, but it's gonna look sick. I posted a couple pictures and it seems like most of you guys like it, so yeah, it's definitely not done yet. Gotta order some more wrap. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get the car jacked up, throw this wheel on, and then see how it looks. All right, guys, so I actually ran into a predicament. So the extension I was using to try and get the wheels down to torque had a little issue. No, you're not supposed to technically use a extension with a Torx wrench, but that being said, got an issue. So I'm gonna have to take this off and then get some better tools and then come back another day. Kind of see how it looks, get the idea of it. I think it's gonna look way better. Some of my favorite stock wheels for the S4s, these are definitely gonna look a lot better. Give it that nice little aggressive stance as well. If you come back here, you can see how much wider that 10.5 is versus the 8.5. Looks so much better. All right, guys, so we're back. We're gonna attempt round two. So I went ahead and picked up a 17-inch extended socket. That way I can torque down the wheels and I don't have to worry about scratching them up with the impact, and I can fully get it on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack the car up, get the old wheel off, and then I guess pick back up where we left off. So that's what it's looking like right now. The suspension is a little bit high since I just had it jacked up, but it seems like it's not gonna rub. If it is, it's gonna be very minor, so I think we're looking good. Might need an alignment. Before, after, I think that looks sick. And then once I get the lowering springs thrown on there, it's gonna look really good. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how that looks and how that fits. Not too sure about the finish yet, because like I said, some of my curb rash may end up powder coating them, getting them smoothed out and everything. But at least for right now, we're just gonna run them like this. And I think I'm gonna pop the Audi hubcap out of there instead of the niche one, just so it looks like, you know, a little OEM plus. Yeah, let's do that. So they actually look slightly different. I don't know if this is gonna work. This one looks a little bit bigger and it has more prongs, so give it a shot though. Nope, not gonna work. These rims are absolutely filthy along with the rest of the car, so once I get the rest of these bad boys on here, we're gonna have to hit the car wash, get her all cleaned up. The second one's on there. This one is absolutely filthy, so we definitely need to get to that wash. But it looks good on there as well, especially once the suspension squats down a little bit, look real good. And then just look at this fitment. Look how much wider those things are. Yeah, I really need to get those lowering springs on there because it's got It's got a good amount of poke, but it might be a little too much for my liking. So I need to get those springs on there. It'll give it a little bit of camber and it should be perfect. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I love these wheels. I think they look pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. And to finish it off, go ahead and throw on the center cap here. All right, 3 down, 1 more to go. It actually kind of looks like it's about to start raining, so I gotta speed up on this last one. And the last one. So now all I need to do is lower the car back down, take this bad boy to the car wash, and clean them off. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Let me know what you think of the new wheels in the comments below. These are the Niche Corinnas. They're 20 by 10.5s, and I'm running 275/35 R20s. So I've got Michelin's in the front and then Pirelli P0s in the back. The fitment looks pretty good. I actually don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit these on here with this tire setup when I lower it on the lowering springs, so might have to throw on some like 255s or something a little bit less beefy. But I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there. This is kind of my first video in a while. I haven't posted since before summer, I believe. And it's just been super hot down here. I honestly should have just edited the videos that I have filmed and posted those a while ago, but just kind of took a little break for a while. I am back. I did just order a bunch of parts for the S4. So we're gonna go with the 034's Stage 2 Plus, and that should be putting us around like 540 to the crank if I run E40, which should be pretty quick compared to what it is now. With that being said, definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. I am gonna start posting more consistently like I used to, which is, I used to post once a week. Might start posting bi-weekly or something along those lines. But with that being said, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and smash that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.